Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we are revealing the brand new addition to the channel. Now you guys know on the channel, we've got some pretty unique vehicles. The S80 V8, the XC70, the S60R, the 940, which no longer is, but there will be a dedicated video for that car. Unfortunately, she's sold, she's gone, she found a new home and a very happy owner. Another car which I haven't mentioned, which has a flat 6 engine developing 250 horsepower, which there will be another video. Man, I've lacked content and I'm back for it. But today, we're announcing a new car on the channel, and it's the biggest one yet. Now, you guys know my most recent project on the channel was this XC70R, in parenthesis conversion, which I've taken an off-road Volvo and transformed it completely into, well, this beast right here. Most recently, we did the air intake. We're gonna need to be doing some tuning, a fuel pump, and some injectors, and then to see what potential we can get full bolt-on with a stock turbo. This was kind of against the purpose of what the car was actually meant to do in the beginning. We took an off-road Volvo and turned it into a low and fast wagon. Now we're gonna take this, but a little bit bigger. Let's show you guys how that looks like. Introducing my brand new 2010 Volvo XC90 V8 Executive. Now this is a pretty special Volvo. You guys know I love my V8s, especially the Yamaha 4.4 liter. This though is inside of an XC90. So the biggest vehicle Volvo has ever offered here in North America with, in my opinion, one of the best sounding V8 engines ever created. And it's an executive model. So it's like fully loaded. Cooling seats with massaging functions, 8-way adjustable literal cinema couches, 12 surround sound speakers, Dyne audio sound system, blind spot support, and a sunroof, active bended front xenon headlights, 7 passenger seating with heated rear seats. Get ready with movie night with the headset, televisions, and headphones. Quite possibly the biggest trunk in its category with a 2-way partition for the rear hatch and all-wheel drive for that extra off-road capability. So today we're gonna go ahead and detail it, tell you guys how much I paid for it, and I do believe it is the cheapest executive V8 in Canada, and then we're gonna tell you what's wrong with it. Pretty much brand new. Look at the paint on this thing. Look at the interior. Look how clean this car is. Now I want you guys to go down in the comments below and write how much you think I paid for it and how much mileage do you think it has, which I will reveal in just a second after I tell you the little issues that we have to attend. The brakes are jumpy, a little shaky. It gets a little shaky above 100 kilometers an hour. The power steering pump or one of the lines is leaking. The trunk latch doesn't come back, so the spring pretty much in the trunk latch is like used, so you got to bring it back by hand. The rear headrest, headphones don't work for the TVs in the back. But other than that, it's a damn V8 executive. It's got close to 300,000 kilometers. Look at the condition of this thing. It's mint. It's literally mint. And for the fact that I paid $3,000, 3 grand Canadian dollars for, so my US friends, that is like $2,000 US for a mint condition XC90 V8 executive. Pretty much the best XC90, except for the Excellence, which they probably sold like 10 of them, you could buy back in 2010. This was $84,000 back in 2010. This was like the most expensive SUV for like a luxury, regular, not Maybach or Bentley SUV. And I paid like 95% off MSRP. That's pretty stunning, isn't it? Now, for the future that this build awaits, I think we're gonna need a little more clearance. See you guys.